Hey guys, and welcome back to my life. So basically, I took a break. I was gone for 4 weeks and I didn't post anything, but here's my 4th of July vlog that I did. I just never edited it because I got sidetracked with a bunch of other things, but you don't care, so here it is. It is July 4th, and we're on our way to Boston right now. Just finished packing because we're gonna be gone for half a week. So this is my 4th of July vlog, so get ready. Let's go. We are all packed. I have my mini backpack, my chocolate pretzels. First stop, coffee. That's all I need to say. I'm sweating. So hot. Get out. We snagged the goods.
What goods?
Insert coffee.
2 hours later.
2 more hours. We're in Connect I Cut. Some people know Connect I Cut. We are officially in Massachusetts. We also took some really cute pics, so I'll insert them here. I know, they were really cute. So I forgot to mention that we're in Boston now, and we're driving around looking for a place to park. We are now in Harvard Square. Is it a square? I think we're gonna go there. Got this juice and pasta. Let's dive in. Oh, it's good. Ooh. Kind of not salty. Now we have pesto pasta. 9 out of 10. This is okay, I guess. We've entered the gates of Harvard. Do you feel prestigious? Do you feel like I feel smart, boy?
No.
I'm not a boy. Alright, so basically we're here at the Harvard campus, but we're not doing a college tour here, college visit here, because we're going other places tomorrow. We're going to meet my cousin for dinner, and then we're going to the fireworks. Happy America. America? Hashtag America. Hashtag America Day. America Day? We just got done with dinner. Now we're gonna walk toward the fireworks or something, but they aren't until 10:30, and it is 8:16. It's a long time. the fireworks show, so we're now in an MIT building because we're like right by this campus. We have these big long hallways. I don't know exactly where we're going, but we're exploring. It's about to start. Can't see us. Hey guys, so that was the end of the 4th of July vlog. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog.
Dab me up, bro.
Dab me up, bro. Dab me up.
Turn left on Putnam Avenue.
That's hard.